Students, in last period, I taught you differences between business, profession, and employment. And today topic is classification of business activities. As you seen here, students, the business activities can be classified into two parts. First is industry, and second is commerce. Listen clearly, students. How many parts a business studies can be classified? That is two parts. First is industry and second is commerce. Now industry can further divide into three categories. First is primary industry, second is secondary industry, third is tertiary industry. Okay students, industry also divided into three categories. First is primary industry, second is secondary industry, third is tertiary industry. And primary industry also classified into two categories. First is extractive industry and second is genetic industry. Primary industry also classified into two categories, extractive industry and genetic industry. Now the classification of secondary industry is also here, and it can be divided only two categories. First is manufacturing industry and second is constructive or construction industry. Now students, secondary industry can be classified into two categories, manufacturing and construction or constructive industry. Manufacturing industry can be further divided into four categories. First is analytical industry, second is synthetical industry, third is processing industry, and fourth is assembling industry. Okay students, these are the parts of industry. Now discuss the parts of commerce. Commerce can be divided into two categories also here. First is trade and second is auxiliaries to trade. Auxiliaries to trade means which are help to running the trade. Those activities which are helping to running the trade is known as auxiliary trade. Auxiliaries to trade. Now students, trade can be further divided into two categories. Trade हमारा दो प्रकार का होता है. First is internal trade and second is external trade. Internal trade वो ट्रेड जो विद इन कंट्रीज कंडक्ट किया जाता है, विद इन कंट्रीज रनिंग होता है, उसको हम इंटरनल ट्रेड कहते हैं. एंड एक्सटर्नल ट्रेड जो देश से बाहर, देश की सीमाओं के बाहर हम रनिंग करते हैं, वो हमारा एक्सटर्नल ट्रेड कहलाता है. जैसे ट्रेड बिटवीन अमेरिका और चाइना, ट्रेड बिटवीन इंडिया और आपका रूस एक्सेट्रा. दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ एक्सटर्नल ट्रेड. नाउ internal trade can also classified into two categories. First is wholesale trade and second is retail trade. Wholesale trade and resale trade, retail trade. Now external trade can be classified into three categories. First is import trade, second is export trade, and third is interport trade. Students, in sub could in detail I can discuss topic by topic in next videos. Okay students, now the classification of auxiliaries to trade, it can be classified into five categories. First is transportation. Transportation provide help to running the आपका business. It help to shifting the goods or raw materials from one place to another. Second is warehousing. Warehousing also provide the help to business. ठीक है. The additional goods which are not demanding in the आपका market are kept in the आपका warehousing, and then when the demand is creating in the market, then supply from warehousing to market. Now third is insurance. Insurance provide the help to minimize the risk, to cover the आपका risk. Next is banking and finance. Bank provide the help to business to give the आपका loan, to give the funds as a loan and running the activities of business smoothly and fastly. And last is advertising. Advertising is also provide the help to आपका business. ठीक है, provide the ad of their goods, provide the ad of the qualities of their goods and attract more and more people to purchase it. So it also provide the help to the आपका बिजनेस. स्टूडेंट्स, अभी एक पार्ट बचा है इंडस्ट्री का, टर्सरी इंडस्ट्री. लिसन हियर क्लियरली कि टर्सरी इंडस्ट्री एंड auxiliaries to trades are the same, both are the same. So these five parts are also involving in tertiary industry. Okay students.